today we discuss our chapter first from NCERT, which is number system. So what is number system? All of we know about the numbers such as counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. But what is number system? So a mathematical notation for representing numbers of a given set using digits or other symbol. It is a system to represent or express numbers. Means we have so many numbers. So we divide these numbers in category and also name these categories and using some symbols. So these categories are as real numbers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, integers, whole numbers or natural numbers. Means a system to represent or express numbers is called number system. So here the set of numbers are real numbers which we represent by capital R. The next one is rational number which is represented by Q. The other one is irrational number which represent by capital P. The next one is integers which represent by Z. Next one is whole numbers which represent by capital W. And the next is natural numbers which represent by capital N. So the first discuss what are the real numbers. It contains all rational numbers and irrational numbers that can be represented on a number line. Means the numbers, irrational numbers and rational numbers which we can represent on number line is called real numbers. Means in real numbers we have all the rational numbers or irrational numbers. The examples are -2, -1, 0, 1, 1 upon 2, etc. Here -2, -1 are the integers. Also 1, 0, 2 are the whole numbers. So these numbers are the real numbers. Also the set of real numbers is the largest set. Means in real numbers we have all the numbers, the negative numbers, the positive numbers, 0, under root 2, rational number, irrational number, 3 upon 4, etc. All numbers are in the real numbers, or the set of these numbers are called set of real numbers. Next we discuss about the rational numbers. So what are the rational numbers? The numbers which can be expressed in the form of P upon Q. मतलब वो नंबर्स जिनको P upon Q की फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस किया जा सकता है उनको बोलते हैं रेशनल नंबर्स. और जो डिनोमिनेटर होता है P upon Q में Q वो ज़ीरो नहीं होता. एंड P एंड Q आर दी इंटीजर्स. इसका मतलब है वो सब नंबर्स जिनको P upon Q की फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं लेकिन जो डिनोमिनेटर Q है वो जीरो नहीं होना चाहिए, और जो P और Q नंबर्स होंगे वो इंटीजर्स से होने चाहिए. उनको बोलते हैं हम रेशनल नंबर्स. ऑलवेज द रेशनल नंबर्स आर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ P upon Q. Let's take some examples. The first example is 10 upon 3 which is in the form of P upon Q. Also the next example we can take 5 upon 2. Here 2 is the denominator which is not equal to 0. Also 3 is the denominator which is not equal to 0. So these numbers are the rational numbers. Also if we have a whole number such as 2 and 8, we can also write it in the form of P upon Q by using denominator 1. So it is also a rational number. The set of rational number is represented by capital Q. Now move on the irrational numbers which represent by capital P. So these numbers cannot be expressed in the form of p upon q, means in the form of a fraction. Those numbers which we cannot represent in the form of p upon q are called irrational numbers, such as examples under root 2, under root 3 and pi. Here under root 2 is not be expressed in the form of p upon q, so that's why it is a irrational number. Also under root 3 is not represent in the form of p upon q, so that's why it is a irrational number. And pi is the most important irrational number. Next, move on the integers. Integers is denoted by capital Z. So it includes natural numbers and their inverses. मतलब जो इंटीजर्स होते हैं वो नेचुरल नंबर्स तो होते हैं, ऑल्सो जो नेचुरल नंबर्स की इन्वर्स होते हैं, एडिटिव इन्वर्स, वो भी इसके अंदर आते हैं. जैसे एग्जांपल से देखते हैं, वी हैव अ नेचुरल नंबर 1. सो व्हाट इज द इन्वर्स ऑफ 1? द इन्वर्स ऑफ 1 इज -1, which is the additive inverse. Also we have the natural number 2, 3, infinite. We have infinite natural numbers. These numbers also in negative sign, and 0 is also there. So the examples of integers are -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 infinitely. These are the integers. The set of integer is denoted by capital Z. Next we have whole numbers, which represent by capital W. So these starts from 0 to infinitely, means the numbers which start from 0, such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, goes to the infinite, are the whole numbers. मतलब वो numbers जो 0 के बाद से आएंगे, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 etc., वो सब होंगे whole numbers. Next is natural numbers. So natural numbers is denoted by capital N. These numbers starts from 1 and goes to infinitely. Example 1, 2, 3 and so on. मतलब वो numbers जो 1 से start होते हैं और infinite तक जाते हैं, उनको बोलते हैं natural numbers. The difference between the whole numbers and the natural numbers is of a one number, which is 0. In whole number we have 0 and in natural number we don't have 0. So only difference is of 0. Next, the most important thing is number line. All of we listen about number line, but what is a number line? A number line is a way to visualize numbers. मतलब number line होती क्या है? Number line एक वे है जिससे हम नंबर्स को देख सकते हैं. सो इसके लिए सबसे हम पहले एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. उस लाइन पर इनफाइनाइट पॉइंट्स होते हैं. सो जैसे यहाँ पर एक लाइन है जिस पर काफ़ी सारे पॉइंट्स हैं. सो इस लाइन के ज़रिए हम यहाँ पर नंबर्स को देख सकते हैं. इसको हम बोलते हैं नंबर लाइन. और नंबर लाइन को रियल नंबर लाइन भी बोलते हैं, क्योंकि रियल नंबर लाइन में भी सारे नंबर्स आते हैं और नंबर लाइन में भी सारे नंबर्स होते हैं. सो आवर टुडेज क्लास इज़ ओवर. इफ़ you have any doubt, then you can comment me.